এখন গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ মিটিং ইছৰ চেয়াৰমেন ডাঙৰীয়াৰ লগত অনুষ্ঠিত হয় আৰু অসমৰ যিটো আমি ছেটেলাইট লঞ্চিং কৰাৰ কথা আছে বা অসমৰ কাৰণে যি এটা ছেটেলাইট আমি ৰাখিব খুজিছোঁ ৬-৭টা সৰু সৰু ছেটেলাইট অসমৰ আকাশত এনি টাইম ঘূৰি থাকিব আৰু খুব ল' অৰ্বিটত ইয়াক আমি লঞ্চ কৰিম তাৰ ওপৰত কিমান সোনকালে আমি ইছৰৰ সৈতে এখন বুজাবুজিৰ চুক্তি স্বাক্ষৰ কৰিব পাৰোঁ তাৰ ওপৰতো তেখেতৰ সৈতে আলোচনা কৰিম আৰু ইছৰৰ যিটো চন্দ্ৰপুৰত স্পেচ অবজাৰভেটৰী চেণ্টাৰ হ'ব তাৰ ওপৰতো আমি আলোচনা কৰিছোঁ জানুৱাৰী মাহত ৰাডাৰ চন্দ্ৰপুৰত স্থাপন হ'ব সেই ধৰণে আমি এটা একশ্যন প্লেন বনাব খুজিছোঁ গতিকে আজি তিনিখন গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ সভা আছিল আৰু তিনিখনৰে খুব পজিটিভ দিশত আমি কথাখিনি আলোচনা কৰিম
and the satellite will be released.
And this PSLV and cryogenic is one part.
Sir, I will explain it. When we are in the launch pad, these two solid motors will be authorized to ignite.
Yes.
With this ignition, the rocket will lift off. After some time, after almost something around 70 seconds, this engine will be brought inside. This will be switched on. Once this is switched on, these two will separate it out.
First, these two will be separated.
Separate out. Then this portion together it will go. On its way, this heat shield will separate, and satellite will be there. Then this portion plus satellite together it will go. Then this will be separated. This portion will be separated. Then this alone will be operating for some 700-800 seconds. Take it to the orbit. When it reaches the required orbit, satellite will be separated, and this stage will be just tilted and it will be taken to another place.
And where it always got false? Once
all these things falls in the safe zone of, except this one, these three will fall inside the ocean.
Yes. And this
will be in the orbit.
And this will remain there.
Remaining, after some time it will re-enter. When it re-enter, it will burn.
It will burn and it will not come back as a
It
solid.
will not come. Maybe sometimes small pieces will come and fall into the sea, in the ocean. Otherwise, most of the things are expected to get consumed. And the human being, when we send human being, this portion will be removed. Here, the module where human being will be sitting, that module will be attached. Same process, it will go up to something.
But heat sample will be there when human will be there.
Similar thing. It is not this. Similar thing will be there.
Yeah.
And then they will be inside the module. So this rocket will take up to 170 kilometers. 170 kilometers, this will get separated. Then there are propulsion system in that human being. It consists of two modules. One we call it as a service module, and top portion we call it as a crew module. And both the modules will go. And service module are having engines that will take it to 400 kilometers. Once it takes it to 400 kilometers, then the satellite and the entire module will be in the orbit. And it also will control correct orientation. There are thrusters. It will be kept in the place.
How they will be brought back?
Bringing back, the operation is ultra. We have to reduce the number one. It will be reoriented. Then the engines will be fired in the opposite direction, and it will move down. Move down up to a level of 7 kilometers. There are thrusters in the system that will be operated, and it will be moving down. After coming to that location, parachutes will be operated. And it will land in the parachute.
Like that Sunita.
Yes, same thing only. Actually, Sunita madam, whatever there was a problem they faced. Same problem we faced 9 months back when we did the ground thrust. The thrusters, they were heating. Same problem.
Okay.
And probably they are not captured during the ground test. We captured and we have corrected our system.
Now when we are sending, please, when we are sending